This is Mrs. London. I'm going to show you what I want you to do for your ALP project. So you're going to go to our classroom. You're going to click on classwork. The top thing says today's work. That's where you're going to find your spelling test and your draw right now and your follow directions. But for today, we're going to work on our ALP ocean animals. So you're going to find your name, which should be the only thing under there. You're going to click on your name. Once you've clicked on your name, you'll see your project right here. So you're going to click on the slides to open the slides. All right. The slides are going to populate over on the left-hand side. You have to be in this mode to change anything on your slide. So for today, you are just allowed to change just your cover slide, okay? So first, if you're on the slide, and you're in the typing, what you need will go away. So if you have this blue box or you have this blue box, you can't get to what you need. So you need to click somewhere out of there, like on a corner, where you don't have that blue box. So once you're looking at your slide with no blue box, you'll notice in your toolbar that certain things come up. Now the first big word here in the toolbar says background. You're going to click background. When you click background, this little tile comes up, and where it says color, you can click on this arrow and you can change the color of your background. So let's say we're going to make it yellow. If you like the yellow, then you're going to say done, and now that is yellow. You don't want to reset to theme because the theme is going to be like changing all of the slides. You just want to work on just this one slide, okay? It also says choose image. So say you wanted to choose an image instead of having a yellow background. You can go to you don't have any pictures to upload, so you could go to Google image search and you could type in your name of your animal. So I'm going to type in walrus, okay? So maybe this is what I want for my the cover of my slide. So because it's all about walruses, I'll pick this guy. And I'm going to hit insert. And it'll take just a minute to do it. And you say done. Okay, I really like that because it shows that's right what I'm talking about. But now it's a little hard to see my name. Okay, so I'm going to click on the box. All right, I'm clicking on the box, and there's a couple of things I can do. I can highlight the letters, and I come up here to the A that's blue, and I can make my letters black. Now it's a little easier to see. I can highlight the letters, and I can make them, let's say, try to make them yellow. Now I can really see it. I can highlight my letters, and now I can make my letters yellow here. And now I can actually see the walrus by marine biologist Colton. That looks pretty good. If you ever want to change the size of the box, you have to always pull from the corners, okay? You always want to pull from the corners because that won't distort the box. Okay, so we have it in the corners. Now, when my cursor looks like a 4-part arrow, then you could move it. So I could put the walrus up here, and I could put my name, make my name a little smaller. This is Colton's name. And I could put my name down here. Okay, so you can kind of move that around. But you have to have those same, you can't change the words. It still has to say by marine biologist Colton. Okay, you can have it wherever you want it to be, like do, do, do. All right, so remember, if you want to change the background, you can't have any of the blue text boxes showing. All right, if you make a mistake, you can always hit Control Z and fix it. And of course, you can. You don't want to mess with anything else. The layout, the transition, the theme, just the background. And then, of course, if you want to do anything in the text box, once you click on the text box, you get different tools. So like I can even make this bold to make it say the walrus in bold. I think I already have this bolded here. Okay, so just today, We are just working on our title page slide. We are not doing anything else. Okay, that is what you have to do today. Once you're finished, it saves automatically. So all you have to do when you're finished is just click out of the tab, bloop, and you're done. You'll see that now I'm back. I want to check to see if it's still there. I can open it again. It'll take a few minutes to load, and boom, it's still there. Now don't worry, I'm going to erase all of this, and Colton's going to be able to put it back how he wants it. All right, have fun working on your slide today. It's kind of an easy afternoon. Don't forget to do your spelling test and be on time to your appointment with me sometime today, whatever appointment time you have. Okay, have a great weekend, you guys. Bye-bye.